So Centre for Student Life is a building offering various support services under one roof. So I believe it's great to have all of these support services at one place so that they are more easily accessible. So that's what I like about it.
The Centre for Student Life is a great light and open space. It's perfect to come and study as well as grab a coffee or access all of the support services on offer by the university.
So Student Connect is basically a hub that connects you to various other support services that are available. So they're located on the ground floor. You can just approach them and they will connect you to whichever department you would like.
Centre for Student Life is a fantastic environment. It is open, it's well lit and airy, has fantastic facilities all under one roof, such as us, the Wellbeing team, and the Wellbeing Champions, where we provide you guys with fantastic facilities and support that is catered towards your needs. And to make matters even better, we've even got a Greggs.